Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. The Manchester police carried out several targeted operations in Mandeville today aimed at recovering illegal guns and clamping down on persons believed to be involved in lottery scamming. Several persons who reside at an upscale apartment along Ward Avenue were taken into custody. Operations Officer for the Manchester Police Division, DSP Valdin Amos, says the police have enough evidence to lay charges on at least 4 of them. With violent crime linked to lottery scamming, he's warning property owners to be wary of persons who offer to pay unusually high sums of cash to rent their premises. Commanding Officer for the parish, DSP Odin Dennis, echoed the call.
A lot of persons in Manchester own property but do not live in them. They rent these properties for profit, and these scammers are capitalizing on this by offering up to 2 years' rent in advance. The average property owner will quickly jump at the chance to have that ready upfront cash, and unknown to them, they expose themselves to the probability of some of these violent acts that follow scamming and scammers.